Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my very late Boxy Premium, but better late than never, so let's see what I got. The Boxy is still kind of a surprise. We do get to make a choice and I will show you what my choice was in here, but everything else you get, complete surprise. This is a $35 box. It comes once a month, regardless of what else you have happening on your account. If you have just base, you can get this in base. If you do Luxe, every third month you get your Luxe instead of your base, but this remains the same. It is going up. I just said it was $35. Oh my gosh, I meant to look this up. I think it's going up to $39.99. I will let you know right here. We just got the email a couple of days ago and I haven't done a deep dive into it, but I know that the Boxy prices are going up. I suspected they were when the Ipsy prices went up. I think everything is going up and it seems small, but when you have a lot of boxes, it's adding up pretty quickly. So how are you guys doing out there? I know there's a lot going on. We're ramping up into the holiday season. Right now, Halloween. I really need to decorate for Halloween back here. Open it up, it says a Boxycharm Premium, and the insides of each of the box let you know which box you're opening. If it's red, it's your base. If it's blue, it's your premium. And the Luxe box has a black interior. And this is the Boxycharm BTS. And that is what the paperwork looks like for this season. The back tells me everything that I received. I can't wait to find out what that is because there were some seriously cool spoilers. All right, giving these the once over, I think we must have had two choices because I think I picked two of these items. I always think, I'll remember. We all know how that ends, but the first thing that I do believe that I chose was the LORAC Soft Rose Pro Loose Setting Powder. And that is what the box looks like. I'm excited to try this. Look, soft rose. I think it was like a pinkish color. You know, I'm all about the pinkish colors. Oh, it looks so fancy. It's so pretty. I love, you know, LORAC used to be so high end. It probably still kind of is, but I always loved LORAC back in the day. All right, let's see what the paperwork has to say about this. It is pink in there, I can tell. LORAC Pro Loose Setting Powder. This ultra-fine cashmere soft powder gives the illusion of an airbrushed, flawless complexion. The multi-purpose, airy, lightweight formula blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines, sets and corrects under eyes, as well as brightens for the ultimate glow while holding makeup all day without any flashback. Set, bake, and brighten without drying or setting. This sounds like a miracle powder. I am very excited. It has a $30 value and it has one of those little stickers protecting it, but let's pull it back and see what we think just a little bit on my hand. So it comes out just, I don't know if you can see, just a little bit of pink. Oh, it is gonna brighten up. Has it got glitter in it? I think it has a little bit of glitter in it. I'm gonna do this and see if there's ever any reflection, but it has little tiny bits of glitter. We'll see about that on my face, especially brightening under the eyes. Let me know if you've tried this and if you love it. It's a little dry on the back of my hand. That said, back of my hands, I should probably get some lotion right now. The back of my hands are very dry. I am really excited to try this. This was a great product and $30. Yes, $30. So it almost covers the cost of my box. And what I believe was my second choice, if we had a second choice, if not, I got extremely lucky, is the Mercier Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. I reached, when I don't have my glasses on, so blind. I reached into my drawer the other day. We were headed out and really quickly, I've been trying to try different mascaras and I reached for one and I put it on and it was an Ico waterproof mascara. If you are looking for a waterproof mascara and you mean business, like I want to be able to cry, sweat, sleep for 3 days and wake up looking perfect, that mascara could not budge. I could not get it off. I had to get some balm and some oils and work it so hard. And I was thinking, man, I need a good eye makeup remover. So hopefully this is it. And Mercier, another really great high-end product. This is what the bottle looks like. And it's separated. Can you guys see the separation? Which means it's a little oily, which means it should work really great taking off waterproof mascara. So excited about this. In my day-to-day life, I don't really need this because as you guys know, I love the Thrive Lash Extensions mascara And all you have to do with that is get your eye wet and rub just very lightly, and it's a tubing mascara, so it all comes off, you rinse it away, gone. But on the days where I'm busy trying the other mascaras, I definitely need this in my life. This says, and I could not make this up if I was in charge of the wording, a gentle eye makeup remover that effectively removes eye makeup. It's a very deep explanation. I don't know why that cracks me up so much. $27. So this is not very big, but I'm sure it's full size. 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. Very, very excited to have this. So just with the two products that I picked in my $35, I think now $39.99 box, I have $57 worth of product just in what I picked. And those are products that I likely would have purchased. So diving in next, I have a Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Okay, if you subscribe to both Ipsy and Boxy, this is where some problems could come in. This is what it looks like on the outside. I have this, so I will just show you guys. Let me open it from the bottom. See, I'm not gonna take this out because I own this and I will be passing this along. So that is what it looks like. And you put batteries in it and you use it kind of like a gua sha, and it can help you, it says it helps depuff and all of those things, but Complex Culture is an Ipsy brand. So now that Ipsy and Boxy are owned by the same people, we're liable to see some bleed over. So if you get both of the boxes, you could now have, yeah, that could be happening. So I have this. I will set it aside for a giveaway, which, by the way, I have finally started working on one and I'm so excited. Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. This sonic powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt the skin, rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in just a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. And this has a $58 value. It is heavy. I like what it does because there's no other way to say this. I like it when things feel nice on my face. You know, when you do something that's really cooling, I love the Tula under eye sticks that leave you feeling really cooled. I like doing that kind of thing to my face, so I really enjoy this. $58 seems a little high, but it is a tool and those do tend to be expensive. Next out of the box, we have Verb Ghost Oil. Kind of excited about this. I feel like I kind of put it up on my dream board and it has started happening. I have been saying, I love hair products. I wish we got more hair products in boxes. And in my last few boxes, I've been getting more hair product. I actually have tried this and it says Smoothing Moringa Blend and Weightless Hair Oil. I buy almost every hair oil that claims to be weightless because it's so long, my hair wants to be really dry on the ends. So I like to pull a little bit of oil through at the ends, but my hair is so thin and so flat that even on the ends, once I start pulling oil through, it looks kind of dirty in my hair and I don't want it to, and I still do it, especially on days when I know I'm not leaving the house or like before bed, midday in the winter when it gets staticky and you can get just the smallest of drops in your hand. It dispatches the static post haste, but I like hair oils. I wish that my hair liked them too. This says that it is the Verb Ghost Oil. This weightless hair oil revitalizes strands from roots to ends. Powered by moringa oil, this blend works to hydrate and fight frizz. It's proven to enhance shine by 75% in a third-party lab testing setting after applying to dry human hair fibers. Don't think too hard on that. $18 value. I have tried all of the Verb Ghost products. I had the shampoo, the conditioner, this. Verb had it. They have a really neat dry shampoo that's the powdery kind and it has a point, and I like the Verb products, so I'm not unhappy to receive this. Next out, we have Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. This is an interesting thing, I think, to get in a September box, end of summer, but I wish I had the nerve to use it. I don't know if I do or not. Let's take it out and see what we have. Ooh, it's a pretty little dropper bottle inside. I love these. Do you guys love when we get these nice, really There's something about this packaging that it's the little things that make you happy. This is 1.01 fluid ounces, and it says Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self-Tan Serum. I put an odd emphasis on that acid. Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid. Tan Luxe is the brand. It has a $49 value. Wow. The first hyaluronic superfood self-tan serum, your best skin day ever. And it's all capitalized, so it must be true. It combines a high-weight hyaluronic acid and extremely low molecular weight sodium hyaluronate. This enables multi-level, instant and lasting hydration, leaving skin looking and feeling firmer and more radiant. With 4% DHA tanning actives for daily use, this innovative formula is derived from organic rapeseed oil plus 7 superfoods. I'm gonna put a poll up on Instagram, and I know what you guys are gonna say. Everybody's gonna be like, yeah, do it. Should I do this? Did you do this? Did this come in your box? Has anybody tried this yet? You know where I need it is here. When I make up my neck, I can never, so my neck is always so light. That's where I need it. Let's see what it smells like. It's gonna smell fine in the bottle, and then I'll put it on my face, and an hour later, I'll smell like a burnt Frito. This has virtually no scent. I'd rub it in the back of my, you know, I could do the back of my hands and, no, but stop pushing me. All right. And last but not least, out of the box, I have a Milk and Honey. That's all I can tell. I think it says highlighter. So wow, super late September boxes. I have had this a few days, in all fairness. We had a family emergency and I have been away from taping for about a week. Everything is fine now though. And so I did get behind a little bit, but this came, I mean, it barely made September. That said, I have already gotten notification that my October Boxy Premium has shipped. Feeling super special this month. Okay, it's Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. No, I'm not saying that in French. There you go. That is what the outside looks like. The inside, oh, it's very pretty. These colors are gorgeous. We have just a basic kind of white and pink, and this one's got an orangish, and they have, can you see the, let me turn this. Oh, there's no mirror. I don't need to be so protective. Can you see their little stamp in that looks like a little honey dipper? That is so cute. Be sweet. These are so pretty. I really love what I'm using though. I'm using an Hourglass. These are just too good. These look too good to not try. Let's try. Oh, they feel, oh, you know what? I am so glad that I put my fingers in these. They are so, they're not glittery at all. They feel really creamy. That's what they look like. They're so pretty. This is, spoiler alert, Oh Honey, Queen Being, and Be Sweet. Oh, they are really, really, I don't know how much I can show you those, how much you'll see the color. They are really pretty. And more importantly, they're not chunky. I don't like it when highlighters are chunky. I like them just to have kind of, just to give you kind of a wet look, not a glittery look. And these would all, I know, you're gonna be like, all right, Kathrin, we get it. I like to put a little bit of shine just here in the corner of my eyes. These would all be perfect for that. Be perfect for that. No pun intended, right? You know, be milk and honey. It's gonna be one of those days and I'm taping several videos, guys, so buckle up. Let's see what the paperwork said. Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette, $38 value. So creamy you don't need butter. You'll be all sugar after you milk that glow with these silky smooth Milk and Honey highlighters. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix, or layer in abundance. I don't disagree. I think it's really, really nice and buttery and creamy. I'm really happy I tried this. All right, that is everything that I have in my box. So I got the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette, the Tan Luxe Super Glow, should I or should I not tan just my face and neck, the LORAC setting powder. I got it in this pretty, oh, did I tell you? Yes, soft rose. I have this nice Laura Mercier eye makeup remover. What? I'm so excited. I needed that. A Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Massager. What I did not say is Complex Culture is the Ipsy brand. I know I said that part. I love their brushes. If you have Ipsy and you have the opportunity to pick up any of their brushes and you could use some brushes, they are fantastic brushes. And last but not least, the Verb Ghost Oil. And the value of my Boxycharm Premium BTS box. What does BTS stand for, do you think? I feel like since this is what I do, I should know that, but I do not. My variation is $272, $220 value, Boxy BTS for $35 this month, but it's going up. I think it's a great deal. I am so much happier with this than my Luxe. The Luxe, it was a great box. It had nice value, it had good products in it. Unfortunately, there were several I couldn't use, and I can use all of this. I have this, so I'm going to pass it along, and it's just a matter whether I'm nervy enough to try this. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here to spend a little bit of your day with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.